What's up everyone, my name is Faz and welcome back to my new episode. And I'm finally come back. I'm just going to create more video about design, code, freelancing and more things. So in this video I'm gonna talk about the colors. But mostly guys ask to me that like how do I research on my colors, how do I find more beautiful website for finding good colors. That's a big problem by the way. And how to create beautiful gradients. So today I'm gonna talk about lots of things about specific colors in this video. I hope you will enjoy. So whenever you are working on the project, on the client project, on the your project, on working on the UI, on the web or other project, the first thing is always come in your mind like how do I find the right colors? And this is kind of become a very challenging thing for you if you don't know the way to find the colors. So for me, what I mostly do when I have to find something, when I have to find the right color, I do research. There are very simple way to do research, like you have to know about color theory. The color theory, you have to know the right meaning of the color. So how do I know the right meaning of the color? I just simply go on the Google and search color philosophy. This is kind of color of theory, and just when you will click on the images you will find something over there. Let's take example purple, blue, like associate with the words wisdom, wealth, royalty, power, luxury, magic. So whenever you will look the colors, you might be have few words like come about this color, what they are talking about. So basically this is how the brands communicate with you. This is simple way. Like example, you can see over here, this is Tinder, and Tinder using over here pink color, over here is the orange color. So just example, like take example of the red, it's about like energy, passion, love, power. So Tinder is a dating application, they are using those colors and those right term to communicate with the customer. So this is how things work. So let's take an example over here. I created I taken the primary color and secondary color. So let's suppose you select two colors over here like primary and secondary, and now see the meaning of the color. So example, color talking about like purple talking about wealthy life, luxury and magic, and blue talking about trust, confidence, loyal, professional. So now you have to define words into your words, right? Let's take a different example from this. Like let's suppose if I have so many colors over here, like you can see I put the random color over here. Taking the example of the Tinder, here I'm talking about on that color talking about love, passion, energy. Over here I'm talking about the happy, playful, romance, and over here I'm talking about the friends and confidence. And I try to match colors, like 1 is 1, 3 is this color. So you can see how the gradient is coming, how I'm defining the language, the communication language. So this is how you can make it. But the question is come like how do I find the colors, more colors? So basically if you have a primary color and can use more website to find more colors. Like example, I'm gonna give you some website over here. Like I love this website, Here Snap, and this is amazing website because this is a new website, it's came out recently, and I find so many great color switches over there. And the second website with Hobby Cooler, and this website give you so many different colors. So example, you can check the harmony colors talking about different things. So you have to understand this thing before using the Adobe Color. And the new website, I recently seen this website, and this website is really amazing. I love it, the concept of this website. And let's suppose if I type the water, it will give you all colors which are related with the water. So this is something amazing. colors.co, I love this website. I mostly work on this website because this website provide me so many things. First of all, the colors, as you can see over here, I can change the color by using the space, simple like this. This is pretty simple. So let's suppose I have my color call, like example, let's take this is my color. I lock it, I can lock, and then I can change more color. I can see the more color, like so I can, I can use the meaning of the color, like as I told you in the research, like what my brand is talking about. And then here what I'm doing, I am just doing some research, some experiment on the color, like how beautiful they are looking, how they are communicating with the customer. So this is kind of analyzing I'm doing. After this, the second thing is color shades. Color shades far better than the opacity. So in 2015-16, or even people use the opacity by using the different contrast, different, giving the shades. I don't prefer this thing. I prefer to create the color, create the switch. At least 4 switches you should have, because it's help you to create the different contrast. So here is this website is helped me a lot to create the contrast. Let's suppose I need more contrast of this color. I just simply click on this thing, alternative shades. So you can see there are so many shades over there. So this is really helpful, and this helped me a lot. Even if you want all, you can click on this toggle. And after this, the last thing is the gradients. So there are so many good resources which I use for the project. The first thing is a UI gradient website. It's amazing website. You can find lots of beautiful ready-made gradients, and even if you want to use those gradient, you can download it. Even you can see the CSS, just copy and paste in your code, it will work beautiful. And the second website I use, this is the web gradients. So you can see there are so many gradients. Even if you want to download the whole sketch file, you can download this file from over here, even the PSD. And the last website is this is the cool backgrounds. And I found this website in the, it's more dynamic to create beautiful patterns. Like you can see, this is amazing. I love this kind of patterns to use in my projects. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, just hit the like button, and if you are new, just please subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.